What are you doing?
Thought I might try to save the table. You know, kind of like an ugly fix. Save us a few dollars. Are you mad, bro?
I'm not mad. Huh.
Well, bring the camera in and I'll point out a few things here.
Let's take a look
Basic
here.
problem is this center thing just totally degraded here. All the plastic in here degraded. So I don't have any more of these plastic inserts here to use to secure it. And the little side wings here are held on by rivets. So what I want to do is drill them out, get rid of all of this existing plastic, and then drop this down and screw the legs into this. What do you think?
That's an awesome idea.
What do you think? So what I'm going to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to secure all these blocks together. That'll be that'll be like a perfect fit right down Broadway there, and then we can secure everything together. So I'll get back to you guys after I get these all secured and all cleaned up. So okay, yeah, I know I'm cheap. Kitchen table repair doctor, what we call actually Missy Jen, the Hillbilly repair shop is here, right? And we call it the Hillbilly repair shop, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook this whole assembly together, get some wood screws, and then come back. I gotta drill out all of these
Rivets.
Use some washers, some wood screws, and we'll see if we can pop this baby together, huh? And as my Gmail says, I can make it like new. I can make it better than new.
Let's do it.
All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Off to the shop. Woo! Turned out pretty good. There's the center block in position. That's pretty good. So what we got to do now is take each of these legs individually and get rid of these old, looks like rivets or torque screws. And I think that we'll be able to secure that down and give that a test. Hillbilly Repair Shop. Missy Jen loves that Hillbilly Repair Shop, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is what you dream about at night. There it is. Luckily, these are just screwed on here. It looks like Allen head, which is okay, hex head, Allen hex bolts here. So it's very easy just to unscrew these. So that'll keep these from getting busted up. I didn't relish drilling these out, you know, so it's a good thing I can just remove these and then figure out how we want to get these aligned onto the block, because the block does not go all the way up to the top of the table from underneath. So I'm going to take a little bit of measuring, a little engineering, one at a time. Jen, feel like a hillbilly? Huh?
Yep.
There we go. We got half of it secured. We've got two sides here. I think that'll be okay across the top here. Don't. Right in the middle, Jen. Perfectly level there. Okay. So now we can put on the other side pieces here. Okay. And they'll need a little bit of a longer reach on the screws on them. Or actually, it'll just sit up like that a little bit. It'll be fine. Okay. Looking good. I'm going to pre-drill some of these and use much longer screws. Okay, we got three sides down. We've got good alignment here. What do you think, Jan? That thing's pretty much solid. Probably better than the plastic with that thing in there. Our alignment's pretty good. Will be when we get that secured down. We'll get that word. Get that bubble as level as possible. So, okay, I'm gonna let Missy Jen hold that, and I'm gonna try to secure the bottom here, and then we'll drive. Got some real long ones for the top here. Be all secured in position. Should be all right. All we need to do is just flip this baby over, and we'll see what we got. That block, that's like stronger than new, isn't it? That. All right. See you in a second. Here we go. What do you think, Jen? The 50-cent fix?
For another 10 years.
See, you're ecologically sound. You're a warrior. If you wanted to, you could actually drill down a hole for an umbrella thing there. But we never use that. If you want to also, you could take some white paint and just paint that bottom. And Missy Jen says nobody would ever know. So let's walk this over in position over here, and we'll call it, huh? Grab that. And when what is my Gmail?
I can make it like new.
I can make it like new at gmail.com. And there we go, guys.
Yeah.
There you go, another Hillbilly repair shop. Okay. Saving America.
Smash that like.
One step at a time. Thank you, everybody. Woo!